Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need the latest Weverse app and a logged-in account. Open the live stream now. Once you tap the live player, look for the CC or subtitle icon. It's usually top right or in the control bar. If you don't see it, make sure the stream supports subtitles. Some events use community captions or provider-generated text. While you confirm availability, also check your device language settings and app permissions, because subtitle options will appear only when the app has permission to access needed settings and the stream supplies text. Once the subtitle menu is visible, tap it and choose English. If English isn't listed, select Auto Translate and pick English as your target language. You should see a brief processing delay while machine translation runs. Wait a few seconds. Make sure you set text size and background opacity so captions don't block important visuals. If the stream provides only speaker labels, auto-translate converts them. If accuracy matters, prefer provider captions when available, because machine output can misinterpret names or slang during fast speech. Finish by verifying subtitles sync with audio. If captions lag or vanish, close and reopen the stream, then relaunch the app. Once done, switch networks, Wi-Fi versus mobile data, because a faster connection often fixes latency. If problems persist, clear the app cache or reinstall Weverse and log back in. That refreshes language packs and permissions. As a key troubleshooting tip, record the event time and error, then contact Weverse support, provide event name, device, and screenshot so they can correct missing or incorrect subtitle feeds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.